What's up, traders? This is Mish from the Opinicus team. Today I'll be showing you guys how to plot your daily moving averages to your intraday charts. That way you can have those levels displayed on your intraday charts for reference. So for example, if I open up my daily chart here, I got my 200 MA here in blue, and then I have my 50 here in this beige color. So if I want to add those to my intraday charts here on my 1 minute and my 5 minute, I'm simply going to select this chart, go into studies, edit studies, and then search for daily SMA. Here it is. Just double click it and it should add it here. Now you want to click the cog here and input the value into the length, whatever you want to choose. So for me, like I said, I want to add the 200 daily average. Click OK, click apply, and here we have my 200 simple moving average from my daily chart. So as you can see, it says 92.49, and so it does right here. So now I just want to add another one. I want to add my 50, which is displayed as 98.49 value, just for reference. So once again, click studies, edit studies, add daily SMA, double click, and here it is. Its factory setting is 9, just for reference. So I want to click the cog and make that 50. And then I'm going to make the color something like this, something that's close to the one I have here in my daily. Click apply, and now I have my 50-day moving average on my 1 minute intraday chart, which is nice to have if you want to have those reference levels constantly displayed on your intraday chart as you're trading. So hopefully you guys found this video valuable, and if you did, go ahead, give us a like, and if you have any questions, leave them down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.